Hey, good afternoon. It's Betty, and it is a winter storm warning. Um, it's about 30 degrees out there, and it's not too bad. I mean, you can see the grass is green. There's some ice on the roofs, but it's not really that big of a deal. But there is ice building up. For one, the power's out. It's been out for about 3 hours, and it's kind of cold in the house. We had to turn on the gas fireplace. Good thing we had one. It smelled really bad because that's the first time we ever turned it on, and so I had to burn off all kinds of spider webs. And I couldn't clean it out because there's no power for the vacuum. but uh, but there's branches that are breaking, and the trees are getting covered with ice, and the branches are getting can't hold themselves up because of the weight of the ice, and it breaks it off. We heard this noise. Let me show you outside. So look at that branch. We heard a noise and went out, and we saw that broken off. There was a truck parked there, and that blue car that's down there, it was under it. It doesn't look like it damaged it. There's not a broken window or anything, but yeah, that fell right down on top of that car. And look up close to these. Look at that ice. It's pretty neat. I'm not from anywhere where it normally gets cold and icy, so it really doesn't look like a lot. But for me, I don't get to see this very often. But it's really neat how covered with ice they are. But as you see, the ground's just fine. I've been places with a lot more ice than this, but it's still neat to see. And when they said winter storm warning, I was expecting it to be the ground covered with ice and snow, and it's not really, but still, the power's out. Sure hope it comes on soon because it's gonna get cold. But I don't mind it being dark and quiet. It's nice being quiet. I like that part of it. Let's see. It's pretty dark in here. It's way dark in here. But hey, it's fun. I just figured I'd give you a little update at what I'm doing today. We got kolaches for breakfast, and so there was cold ones in the refrigerator. That's what I had for lunch, and chips, things like that. I really wasn't expecting the power to be out. And we got Pancho in his little jacket. There he is, so cute. So we're staying warm here. It's fun. And hope you all are staying warm too. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.